So I ended up purchasing this automatic curling iron. Now this automatic curling iron is cordless, so it makes it super convenient to be able to do your hair anywhere. And the fact that it's automatic makes it even more convenient because it pretty much does the job for me. So it does come with 2 clips, a comb, and the curling iron itself. Now the curling iron does have an on button, and all you have to do is just hold that button down and it's going to turn the unit on. When the unit turns on, if you continue to hit that button, it's going to take you through the different settings of the temperature. So it does go from 380 degrees to 400 degrees. So you got a variation there. And it does have a left and a right button, and that's just going to rotate the hair in the direction that you want the curl to go. This part of the curling iron is going to be really hot, so don't stick your finger in there. The top part of the unit gets warm, but it's not going to hurt you. What you're going to do is slide your hair across here and down, and the curling iron will then take the reins and spin the curl and get it to the most perfect curl for you. So let me go ahead and show you what kind of curls these do. Now you want to start off by just grabbing a section of hair so you can run it through the machine. So like I said, you're just going to push it right in here, bring the end of your hair down, push the direction that you want your hair rotated. And then once you're ready to release the curl, all you have to do is pull the curling iron down, and that will leave you with a perfect ringlet. And pull. Another perfect ringlet. So this is what I've curled so far, and it has provided some really nice curls. So if you're looking for a way to curl your hair without all the fuss, this is a good way of doing it. It really does the work for you.